Alright, so we're not gonna have any Accord bumper install videos anytime soon. The snow is pretty fucking bad. It's kind of warming up, turned into slush. There's a lot of ice on the roads. But luckily I got a badass Volkswagen that fucking pumps through this shit. We've been fucking killing it. We're fucking doing cookies and fucking sliding, tearing through some thick ass shit, going up some steep hills. Killing it with this thing. Check it out. Over here we got fucking one semi throwing on chains in the slow lanes, which is retarded. We gotta get on the freeway to get over to this spot. All sorts of ice. I don't know why these guys don't stop at a fucking rest stop or something and chain up there. Oh shit, my girl's drifting. She's drifting. Okay, maybe not. Hey. So when you go, you need to turn right, swing it left.
I can't because I'm going uphill.
No, it doesn't matter. Swing it left, hold the e-brake, and then let go of the wheel because you're gonna straighten it. It's gonna straighten itself out. And put the e-brake back down, but hold the button. Don't just.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
All right. Hit it. There we go. Oh shit. What the hell are you doing? Oh my god, you rookie, dude. You went all the way in there. I'm looking at the camera. I'm looking at the camera. Look up, you're in the fucking wall.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Alright, so for a quick update, I went ahead and dug the car out. There was about a foot of snow left around the car. The car was totally covered, 2 feet above it. So this morning I dug it out, and the roads are clear. They're a little wet. They're full of fucking nasty red rocks. Grabbed the bumper, threw it in the car. Went down to the carport and put the bumper on. So the bumper is now on. It's all secure. The fog lights are good. I was gonna wire it up, but I did see one wire that is gonna need to be cut and rewired, I guess. Just fucking cut it and twist them back up, tape them back up, just so they're secure. It's being held by like one thin wire. So once I do that, I'm guessing spring is the only chance I get to really be comfortable and dry while I'm doing this, the wire back up. But the wiring is pretty simple. I watched the video, so I probably won't make a video of how to wire it up. I'll just link you guys to the right video. It's pretty simple. And I'll shoot some video of how the car looks with the fogs, the bumper back on. And that'll be it until the next video. Most likely we'll bust out the good camera and shoot some nice videos of the fog lights. So I'll see you guys until then.